I'm John Coupland. I'm a professor of food science at Penn State University. There's a huge range of bugs that can be eaten. If you go around different food cultures around the world, you'll find specific insects that are being eaten. Common ones that show up in this country would be mealworms, crickets. If you compare them on a dry weight basis, which is typical because you often dry out insects before you eat them, a cockroach is about 65% protein, and beef, a reasonable number would be 50%, so they've got a lot of protein in. So cricket flour is cricket. So you take the cricket, clean it as an important step, you dry it out and then you just grind it up. Insects are interesting creatures. They don't need much space, they can live under all kinds of conditions, they'll eat almost anything, and they produce quite a lot of protein quite quickly. So when you start to look at the inputs that need to go into a farming system, insects often compare quite well. Well, the nice thing about the protein is it's got a good range of amino acids. Very often in traditional food cultures, you'll see a population lives off a fairly simple diet of, say, maize or something, but they'll eat small quantities of insects to build up the amino acids they're missing from those sources. There are a lot of vitamins in there, some monounsaturated fatty acids, some polyunsaturated fatty acids, and a few minerals as well. Try and eat something which doesn't look like an insect to start with. I don't think your entry-level insect needs to be a fried cockroach. It could be something which is ground up in some sort of tasty chocolate-flavored bar, and you start to eat it and let your mind wander onto the fact that there may be some crunchiness under your teeth, and that might be legs.